Hi, my name is Vivian Dittmar, and in my talk, The Evolution of Feelings, I will give you an evolutionary perspective on the subject of feelings and emotions. In my observation, the subject of feelings has long been a blind spot, not only in psychology, but also in spirituality and even philosophy. And only in recent times, through the advances of neuroscience and artificial intelligence, have we discovered that the feeling faculties are actually an integral part of our cognitive processes. They're inseparable from our cognitive processes. But because it's been a blind spot for so long, we lack a basic understanding of what feelings are, what they're good for, even challenging feelings such as anger, sadness, or fear. And many people don't know how to relate to their feelings in a way that actually fosters the evolution of feelings. So in my talk, I will talk about how feelings have developed in the course of evolution from instinctual reactions, which I call biological programs, and then into something that really has a primarily social function, which is the power of feelings. And there I distinguish 5 basic feelings, which together form the emotional compass, which is your anger, your sadness, your fear, your shame, and your joy. And each of these, as we all know, can be really powerful and constructive forces, but they can also be really difficult, challenging, or even destructive forces in our lives. So one focus of the talk will be how our rational mind plays a crucial role in interacting with the feelings in such a way that they can transform into constructive forces. So that's the journey where our feelings are no longer something that just overwhelms us, but something that we can actually own, take responsibility for, and learn how to direct consciously and with intention. But that's not the end of our evolutionary journey in the feelings realm, because then there comes a development into the transpersonal. And this, for many people, is actually, you could say they're forced into that development through what I call the emotional backpack. So our emotional baggage that we carry around with us, and that tends to come up in the most inopportune moments. Our emotional baggage, when it's triggered, leads us to react inappropriately to situations. And that can mean that we're suddenly overwhelmed with emotions that are really not appropriate to the situation. So we have really, really strong emotions. Or it can also mean that we're suddenly emotionally numb and we don't feel anything at all. And both are signs of being emotionally triggered. And this is the place where many people find emotions really, really challenging. And these types of emotions are really feelings that we carry around with us from our past, from experiences that we have emotionally not completed. Now, in order to heal these, it is necessary to evolve the feelings realm into the transpersonal. And that's where we access what I call states of consciousness or abilities, such as the ability to truly love or to truly trust or to have compassion. These are abilities or states of consciousness that are actually wired differently in our brain, or our brain actually learns to run differently once we evolve into this transpersonal realm. And this transpersonal realm is crucial for actually healing our emotional baggage and really finding peace with our journey thus far. So I really look forward to giving you an in-depth view of the evolution of feelings in my talk.